Clear right and exit 135.
It's just funny, like growing up in the house. This is it. Plus, Mom and I drove by here when we were doing our 40.
We're in Lancaster, Ohio at Rock Mill, which is a restored historic gristmill. Just a really neat area, nice drive up here. Really cool covered bridge. I'm gonna check out this covered bridge. Whoa, well, I almost slipped on the ice. Oh, and again. It's pretty dangerous. It's beautiful out here. What a cool place. Water's really coming down down there. This is the other side of the bridge. Absolutely beautiful down there. So this is a really nice little park, small parking lot, picnic table. And I believe the first mill on this site was built in 1790 and lasted like 21 years before it slid down into the gorge down there. They rebuilt another one, and this is the third one, which was originally built in 1824 and basically stopped operations in 1905, and it sat abandoned for years. And they restored it in the 2000s. They do have several festivals here, and I believe you can go in this mill. I've never been in there, but we're gonna walk down here. It's gonna be pretty slick, but hopefully not kill ourselves. It's a neat old barn right next to the mill. Well, you can't walk down to the gorge because it's closed right now for safety reasons, I assume. It's pretty icy out here, but before we walked down there and went all the way at the bottom of the gorge down there, it's pretty cool shots. Just, you don't get to see much right now. I'm still gonna try to walk down this side and not kill myself. But look at the big old water wheel. It's like a sheet of ice. Oh, jeez. Okay. Whew. Almost lost it there. This is probably not the smartest thing I've done. I mean, the list goes on, but it sure is really nice. Oops. The only reason I'm on this side is because there's a handrail, but I'm not liking this. But that's pretty awesome right there, man. A beautiful mill. That is absolutely beautiful. It's cold out. It's like 21 degrees. It's freezing out, but man, that's just so beautiful, especially with the snow. It's just such a beautiful place. Definitely worth a nice drive over here. There's a brewery close by, and it's just a neat area. If you like old mills, old structures, you're gonna love this place. It's just so cool out here. It's really nice coming out here in the cold because nobody is dumb enough to come out here besides us. So, but I just love this place so much. I'll have to come over here in the summertime and show you the gorge. But it's a beautiful snowy day. It's getting a little colder out here, and I think we're about done. But Rock Mill, Covered Bridge, and Old Gristmill in Lancaster, Ohio. Nice little day trip. It is dog friendly, and try to keep it on a leash. I may not follow that rule, so any of you guys that are offended out there, I apologize. I feel really bad about it.
Picture her when she would climb up on the fence, but I never could.
Well, she's not very cooperative, is she?
No.
I mean, it's a interesting boxer puppy. That's Poppy. She hates the camera. So that's it for this video. I'm raising that camera up higher to make myself look thinner, and I don't know if it's working. But anyways, seriously, come out to this place. It's really cool. You will not regret it. Thank you for watching.
Frozen view. I was getting there. I'm not terrible.
I don't know if it's working.
I did see it's the least dog friendly. It should be loaded up on the picture. It's a seriously cool. Yeah, that's cool looking.
And this is the brewery. Overlook the gorge out there, and there's food trucks. Just a really cool building.